All right, here's the puppies. They're 3 weeks old. Thought I'd get some action. Who's this over here? This is Shadow doing something with his toy. Look. He's like, yeah. There he is. And who else do we have here? Let's bring one over here. Who do we have? Oh, that's Casper. Hey, puppy. He's leaving. There he is. Hi, puppy. Hey, there you are. And who do we have here laying here? This is, who do we have here? Candy. They kind of like this little toy with the bells. Oh. See, get your little face. There she is. That's Candy. There's Shadow again and Casper. And then we have Wendy. Right now, she's the smallest. Hey, puppy. Look at her. She's leaving too. Hey, girl. There she is. Who's this again? Oh, that's Candy. And then we have somebody hiding in the corner. Yep, that's Pumpkin. Look, your ear's messed up. There you go. There she is. Yeah, she's a sweetie. Why don't you get in there and play with those boys, huh? There you go. I think that's Candy rolling around there. And there's the boys over here again. They just ate, so they'll all be looking to snuggle up here a little bit. And then, oh, we got Wendy over here playing with a toy. And got Pumpkin moving around now. Hi there, sweetie. She's like, I'm tired. I'm tired. All right. Oh, somebody's going to sleep there. Let's see if I can get everybody. Oops.